Speed, no matter what you're doing, if you can do it better and faster and with less labor, you're going to win. And that's even more true when it comes to things in our industry like shift changes for uniform workers. The faster the change goes, the happier your employees are, and the more productive your establishment is. And the Phoenix Automated Uniform Management System gets employees into uniform and on the clock faster and with a quicker payback than similar systems. Here, let me show you. Let me get into my announcer uniform. Whoa, what did that take, about 15 seconds? Okay, I am a fast dresser, but even a slow one can be ready in about 3.5 minutes. Hey, most employees spend more time than that chatting with the attendant now. First, I simply scan my employee ID card. Now I could also enter my employee ID number in the keypad if my card is missing or damaged. The conveyor rotates to my dedicated slot, taking the shortest route from left or right. Security plunger devices engage the adjacent employee slots, and the sliding door opens automatically. After I retrieve my clean uniform and locker bag, the sliding door closes and locks automatically. Garments with RFID chips are identified and tracked automatically when passing through this door. The system's display shows me in both English and Spanish the status of each step in the retrieval process. Every time I access the system, my transaction is time-stamped and notification is sent to your inventory management program. And the Phoenix system means employees can change in a small dressing room instead of a large, expensive locker room. Locker rooms, eesh, no one's going to miss that. We also have the best automated soiled garment return system. At the end of the shift, the employee scans his uniform's barcode label. The door unlocks, the uniform is deposited into the chute, and a receipt is printed. The transaction is sent to your inventory management program. This single scan eliminates the need to scan garments again out to the laundry. Once again, garments with RFID chips are identified and tracked automatically, and that means lower labor costs. And if you think it's fast up front, well, it's just as fast in the back. Take a look at the single attendant required for loading clean uniforms. And there's none of this manual switching the system back and forth if an employee out front needs to pick up a uniform. The Phoenix system automatically serves them first. Sorry, Marcos. Oh, it's okay. Here again, your inventory management program is notified when a clean uniform is loaded onto the conveyor. And due to our single scan capability, it's not necessary to scan garments returned from the laundry. Didn't I mention lower labor costs? What makes the Phoenix system so fast, clean, and quiet? Well, it's our unique enclosed track for one thing. It's made in Italy, where they know a bit about making things powerful and fast. And because it's enclosed, lubricant and dirt don't fall on uniforms like other systems. And I'm talking to you with 4 systems running, and I don't have to yell or use sign language. That's quiet. The Phoenix Automated Uniform Management System is perfect not only for hotels, but also casinos, theme parks, and manufacturing plants. Hey, I like being the goofy mascot. Oh well. Anywhere there are lots of uniforms and shift changes, you'll see money being saved and productivity being increased if a Phoenix system is on the job. Whoa, look at the time. My shift's almost over. You know, announcer shifts are generally only about 3 minutes or less. Yeah, it's a good gig. Why not let Phoenix custom design an automated uniform management system that suits your needs? All we need is some basic information about your requirements. Within a week, Phoenix will present our detailed proposal, including equipment drawings and system specifications. Hey, we said it's all about speed. Gotta run.